question clearly, it's what you're asking is those moments where you say something and then maybe a minute or so goes by and then someone else says that same thing that you just said. You're 100% right. This absolutely happens to women more than men for a lot of reasons we don't have enough time to go into, but I'd love to lead that workshop as well. So stay tuned for that workshop. But just to answer the particular question, it really comes back, in my view, to physical signals and also some messaging signals too, right? How strongly or how clearly did you pitch the idea? That's something you and I have talked about before, right? Where with your body language, you're saying, hello, I have an idea. It's a big idea or it's a small idea or whatever it is, that you're using your body to cement in people's brain a whole bunch of cues that are now tied in with the idea. Because we don't just hear and process ideas. We hear and process the experience of internalizing ideas. And the experience of internalizing ideas comes from whoever shared that idea with us. So it's not about, changing your personality or becoming some sort of like big extroverted, fake, charismatic person you're not. I would never suggest that. But think about how you're using your eyes, your energy, your intention, your hands to really land the idea that you're trying to put out there with some conviction. Because if you kind of just lob it out there like, yeah, I think probably we should try this other idea that I've been talking about for years, and I'm giving it to you with these kinds of cues, how does that help someone internalize the idea? Even if you're frustrated that your ideas don't usually get heard, the best thing that you can do is to take on that intention of, let me really help you understand how this idea could benefit you, right? Let me really tell you what's in it for you, which is actually where we're going with this next section. So it's a combination of the delivery of it and also the messaging of it to make it about that person and to really throw some conviction behind it.